Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Game Changer and confirming the essentials so scoring is immediate. Sign in or create your account, then grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so you can record and share clips. This avoids delays mid-game. Next, open the team profile or create one, add the roster and set positions, then schedule the match date. Once these are in place, you have a ready scoring environment and can begin live tracking without stopping the flow of the session. You now run the live capture and scoring. Tap Start Game, confirm formation and lineup, and sync clock so stats align. That prevents mismatched timestamps later. During play, use quick tap actions for goals, assists, substitutions, and cards to keep pace with the game. Custom events cover unique plays. Record video while tagging events so clips are linked to stats. Once tagged, you can instantly review highlights for coaching points and post-game analysis without sifting through raw footage. You finish by finalizing stats and producing shareable content. After the match, reconcile any substitutions and confirm minutes played so stats are accurate. Then export the box score, or CSV for coaches. Create highlight reels and add coaching notes, making sure to share links with players and parents for immediate feedback. If you spot missing or mistagged events, use the event editor to adjust timestamps or retag clips. This fixes errors quickly and preserves reliable data for future training and scouting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.